We are leaving Jackson. I think I found a potential site up the road.
On North Cash Street.
But that was Jackson. Yeah, I'm gonna try and find a spot in the Grand Tetons, and if I can't, we'll go to West Yellowstone. I really hope I can, because otherwise tomorrow we have to do a lot more extra driving. It really sucks that a lot of the visitor centers and stuff are still closed. The Forest Service. I don't know why they're being so cautious. It really sucks. Yeah, the traffic here is way better than June. In June, this whole road was backed up. I couldn't even see the end of the line. Oh wow, this is neat. National Elk Refuge. Oh, I should have stopped there. I need to slow down. I'm getting in overdrive mode because I'm afraid of not finding a spot for tonight. Oh, Teton Park, 4 miles. Yellowstone, 55. Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, I think this is the same bike trail that is south of town. Oh, so neat. There's some RV parks in Jackson. We might have to try and stay there in the off season and do these bike trails. I need to quit eating these donuts. I'm having 4 little donuts. And then I'm done. National Museum of Wildlife Art. That looks pretty neat. It's a museum I just passed. So I've only done this road like once, surprisingly, that I remember. There's so many entrances and exits. Maybe I've done it twice. I don't remember. It's been a long time. Part of me just wants to get to West Yellowstone, possibly, if I don't see a spot. I don't know how the Tetons might not be very neat if you can't see them because of the haze and smoke. So if I cannot see the Tetons, I'm not going to go out of my way to find a spot. But if I see a camping spot that works, I will definitely check it out if it's right off the highway. Oh, it looks pretty smoky. Yeah, if I don't see an easy access spot, I will not stay here. Grand Teton National Park. That's too bad. I really, like, this is a time to see this, and I'm not gonna get to it again. Bike trail is still going. That is, I wonder how far it goes. That is way cool. Slow down. There's always a chance in the mornings when you wake up, the skies are a little better sometimes. So we'll see. We'll keep looking for those campground signs.
In 600 feet, enter the roundabout and take the second exit to US 189.
It says there's a campground to the right.
Take the second exit.
I'm gonna check it out just to see how far it is. Because we will stay here if I got cell service. I can get some work done again. Oh, it's
on Lower Gros Ventre Road.
It's a long ways. There's oh, this is a loop road. So yeah, we'll stay on it. We might get lucky. Need some luck. Good service still. It kind of loops, it's like a half circle and goes back to the highway we were on. Oh, that'd be awesome if I can get a spot here. Especially if I have cell service. It's 82, I'll sit outside, have a beer, make some phone calls. I haven't talked to people for a while. Here's a spot. It says no camping. Sucks. It just really irritates me how this country doesn't want people camping anywhere. This is our land, you know, all public land. And it's like, no camping. Stay the hell out. Alright, I'm getting out of rant. I'm gonna stop. Because you all know where this is going. Person on the road here. Oh, she's biking. She's alright. Must be resting. I would not bike on this road. There is no shoulder. Here's another pullout. No camping. That means you. Why do you have these pullouts here for? And I bet money the Rangers check these at night. A spot. This one, oh, it's got a no camping sign too. It was on the log. Wow, I wish it was blue sky. So my only hope is it's a Wednesday and I could snag a spot. Service is getting weaker. I hope I'm not driving past the other campgrounds on the main road that I saw. That would suck. This is kind of a neat road though. I've never done it before. And, like I said, if I have to go to West Yellowstone where I know I can camp, I'll just go there. I am losing service. Of course, put the campground behind a mountain. Don't let the campers have cell phone service. No, that would be horrible. Oh, I see the campground on the right. It looks huge. I can't imagine I can't find a spot there. The question is, do I have cell service? It's called Gros, Ventre, if I'm saying that right, campground. And it's giant. There must be 1,000 spots there. No idea what the cost is, what amenities it has. It's got to be primitive being way out here. I would think. Can't imagine there's anything except a picnic table, fire ring. Ooh, bears. Food storage required. Are they gonna eat my nuts? Can't go wrong with nut jokes. Can't go full. full. Well, we're going up the road. Maybe.
In 1/3
Let
of
me
a
go
mile,
ask
turn
them.
right.
They might know where I can stay. I'll go around a circle. Alright, let me stop this.